Next I add here donut charts. These donut charts will show number of quantities sold in the specific year. I will also extract numerical values inside these donut charts by using text box. So follow these steps as I perform. First, activities sheet. Click on Insert tab, then click on Pivot Table. Click OK. Drag and drop quantity field in values box. Then drag and drop year field in rows box. I calculate here in these two cell references number of quantities sold in each year in percentage format by dividing this total value. So activities cell, enter equal sign. First select this cell reference, enter division operator, then select this cell reference, press enter key. Apply the same formula in this cell, activate this cell reference, enter division operator, then select this cell reference, press enter key. Click on percentage, then select pivot table, click on pivot table analyze, then click on pivot chart, insert the donut chart, click OK. Hide all field buttons on chart, remove legends and chart title, resize this chart, rename this sheet donut chart 1, then copy this sheet, press mouse key and Ctrl, rename. I sort this column, click on this cell, right click on sort smallest to largest. So I see here this slide shows number of quantities sold in the year 2019 and this slide shows number of quantities sold in the year 2018. Activities sheet. Change the position of these two cell references. Next, copy and paste this donut chart in the dashboard. Click on paste. I format this donut chart. First, resize this donut chart. Decrease the height of this donut chart up to 1.42 and increase the width up to 1.48. Then drag and drop at this position. Then select no fill and no outline. Resize inner portion. Then double click on this donut chart. Then select this slice. Then click fill arrow button. Click on solid fill. For solid fill, select white color and select the border line white. Then select this slice. For this slice, select no fill. Then select border line, solid line and white color. Similarly, copy the other donut chart. And paste here. First, resize this donut chart. Decrease the height up to 1.42 and decrease the width up to 1.48. Drag and drop this donut chart at this position. Select no fill and no outline. Increase the size of inner portion. Then I format this donut chart. First select this slice. Select white color and select the border line color white. Then select this slice. Select no fill and solid border line with white color.